Ever wonder what these numbers do? Well, you've come to the right video. Hey, welcome to the video. My name is Jeff, and in my recent videos I've gone over some high points in the market and covered these indices known as the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. Well, in this video I'm going to go into depth of what they are. Biggest movement, or bigger the share price, the bigger the weight. One well-known company on the Dow is known as Apple. Apple was the largest company on the Dow. However, Apple split, and when they split, it shifted the weight of the index. When Apple split, the share price fell, and in the eyes of the Dow, reshaped the weight, and they had to allocate that weight somewhere else, meaning they had to remove and add new companies to the Dow to make up the difference. The S&P 500 is more broader than that of the Dow. The S&P tracks and measures the performance of 500 of the largest companies on the US stock exchange. The S&P weighs their companies by their total market capitalization instead of their share price. The Nasdaq is similar to that of the S&P because it also weighs their companies by their total market capitalization. However, the Nasdaq makes an emphasis on tech-related companies. Not all companies listed on the Nasdaq are tech-related. There are some banks and industrials and a few other sectors as well. The Nasdaq has 3,300 companies. That would be a lot of tech companies. You cannot invest in these indices directly. However, larger institutions will create what is known as an exchange-traded fund, or an ETF in short, or a mutual fund that replicates the indices. Without going into too much detail because they can get a little complicated, ETFs and mutual funds are basically just a basket of different stocks. Some common ones you can find are VOO, VOO, SPY that tracks the S&P 500, the DIA, which tracks the Dow, and the triple Qs, which track the Nasdaq. You can find different variations of these ETFs that narrow down the indices even further, such as pulling the companies out of the indices that have the highest dividend yield, or another example would be the dogs of the Dow, which find the highest yielding companies on the Dow. There you have it. I hope it gives you an idea of what the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 are, and what they represent and how they move. It's a collection of stocks and their averages, which are all calculated differently. So if you've made it this far, thank you. I greatly appreciate it. If you found it helpful in some way, make sure you hit the like button, because I greatly appreciate it, and I know the YouTube algorithm will as well. Also, be sure to subscribe, as I will come out with more money-related videos and more market caps. But thank you, as always, and for your appreciation. Down in the description, you can find 2 links, one to Robinhood and one to Webull, to collect some free stocks. For Robinhood, all you have to do is go over to their website or app and create an account, and you'll get a free stock. And Webull, you have to create an account and deposit $100, and you'll get free stocks. There you have it. See ya.